I'm standing in front of an agriculture field near the school in Mainburi, Uttar Pradesh, which it looks exactly like a typical agriculture field.
In this video, you are seeing my agriculture field that is located in Kerala. This is one rubber plantation that is located on the slopes of the Western Ghats. Farmers can choose the crops that are cultivated in their agriculture field. Even then, crops are different in different agriculture fields.
When we think about the plants that are grown without the interference of human beings, they are different in different places. In this video we will learn about the natural vegetation of India.
Tropical evergreen forests are found in the regions that are experiencing heavy and well-distributed rainfall of more than 200 centimeters. High temperature and heavy rainfall create suitable conditions for the rapid growth of the trees. So, trees are tall and big. These forests appear green throughout the year as they are located in the windward side of the mountains. These forests are found in mixed sands, so identification is difficult. Trees are usually hardwood and heavywood, so they are best for making furniture. Evergreen forests are found in the western side of the Western Ghats, northeast India, and in the islands Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
These forests are dense, so sunlight will not penetrate onto the floor of the forests. Grasses are absent here due to the impenetrable nature of the forests. Ebony, rosewood, gurjan etc. are found widely here.
Deciduous forests are the most widespread forests in India. Deciduous means the trees that shed leaves during a particular period. Seasonal heavy rainfall and long dry season of the monsoon regions makes the trees deciduous here. Trees shed leaves during the summer season to overcome the long dry period. Trees are hardwood and heavy wood, so they are best suited for making furniture. These forests are exploited for valuable wood. These forests are more open in nature, so grasses are grown with the trees.
Bamboo, teak, sal etc. are found widely in these forests.
Mangrove vegetation is found in the delta regions and the islands in India. Mangrove trees are able to grow both in fresh water and salt water. Trees are evergreen as water is available in the soil always. They are found with stilt-like roots. These roots that are found above the water help the trees to breathe. They are found in the delta regions of the rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi.
Sundari, Gorajan etc. are the trees that are found widely in these forests.
Thorn forests are found in the rain shadow regions that are experiencing 40 centimeters to 70 centimeters of rainfall. Trees that are adapted to the conditions of less rainfall are found in these forests. Trees are usually small and they have deep roots in order to get moisture. Trees are adapted with many techniques to overcome the dry conditions of the semi-arid regions. Small leaves, thick bark, stunted growth, etc. are the adaptation techniques. Thorn vegetation is found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, etc.
Kikar or babool, neem, date palms etc. are the trees that are found widely in these forests. Deserts experience less than 25 centimeters of rainfall and is not suitable for any type of plants.
Mountain vegetation is found in the high altitude regions that are experiencing lower temperature. Here, vegetation changes in accordance with the decrease of the temperature. Lower altitude regions that experience heavy rainfall are found with evergreen vegetation. Moderate rainfall regions are found with deciduous vegetation. Lower slopes of the mountains with the possibilities of snowfall during the winter season are found with temperate deciduous trees. Higher altitude regions that experiences snowfall during the winter season have coniferous vegetation. Short growing coniferous trees of alpine variety can be seen at an altitude between 3000 meters to 4000 meters.
Deodar, pine, fir etc. are the trees that are found in these forests. Mountain vegetation is found mainly in the Himalayan mountain regions. The Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats etc. are also found with the mountain vegetation. Let us pause here for a while for recalling the important points. Subscribe our channel to know about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.